have the greatest products in slice, or why they'd be interested in it. How do you solve that? Explain your videos. Now, we all know videos so popular for doing that. Well, there are many reasons video is great. See, research communicated verbally rather than visually. What explains this? Communicated verbally rather than visually. What explains this? Receives information through our eyes and our ears. Coming into one channel can cause an overload, interfering with comprehension. But what if some of that... Well, the thing with people these days is that they get bored. You want to explain to them about your product, so... And this is where voiceover comes in.